Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Heather, a physical therapist. Today, I have got some really effective stretches for your hamstrings, the muscle at the back of your thighs. Here is the thing, your hamstrings are connected to your knees and your hips. When they get tight, they don't just affect your legs, they can actually pull on your lower back and cause pain there too. That is why keeping them flexible is so important. Today I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to stretch these muscles. And the best part, you don't have to do all of them. Just pick one or two that feel most comfortable for you. So let's get started.
The first exercise is lying down hamstring stretch. Lie down flat on your back. Now bring one knee up towards your chest until it is at about a 90-degree angle. Hold the back of your thigh with both hands. From this position, slowly start straightening your leg upward. As soon as you feel a gentle pull in the back of your thigh, hold it right there and hold it for about 30 seconds. If you are really flexible and want a deeper stretch, gently pull your toes towards you. This will also engage your calf muscles along with your hamstrings. Repeat this 3 times on each leg, holding for 30 seconds each time. Exercise number 2 is stretch using a belt or towel. Now some people find it hard to hold their leg up with their hands. So here is an easier alternative. Place the belt around the ball of your foot, right in the middle. Now gently pull the belt to lift your leg higher until you feel that hamstring stretch. The key is to keep your knee straight. Again, hold for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on each leg. Exercise number 3 is seated stretch. Sit on the floor or bed with one leg stretched out in front of you and the other leg bent with your foot resting against your inner thigh. Now lean forward, but here is the most important tip. Do not round your back. It will put a strain on your back. Instead, you need to bend from your hips while keeping your back completely straight. Even if you only lean forward a little, you will feel the stretch exactly where it should be. Hold for 30 seconds and do this 3 times on each leg. Exercise number 4 is couch or bed stretch. Simply rest one heel on the bed and let your other leg hang comfortably off the side. Keep that resting leg straight and don't let the knee bend. Now keeping your back straight, lean forward from your hips. Again, hold for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on each leg. Exercise number 5 is standing hamstring stretch. Finally, let's do a standing stretch. This is super convenient. Place your heel on a bed, table or a chair. Same rule applies. Keep your back straight and bend forward from your hips, not your waist. Just lean in with a straight spine until you feel that pull in the back of your leg. Again, hold for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on each leg. And you are done.
And that's it. Those were 5 simple and effective hamstring stretches that can really help relieve leg pain, reduce tightness, and even take pressure off your lower back. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your favorite stretch and share it with someone who might be dealing with leg or back pain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective workout videos. Stay safe, stay active, and take care of yourself. I will see you in the next video.